You're welcome to the Hour for Glam, and today I am so excited because we are going to be tying our Ankara scarf. Yes, this is another HEADWRAP tutorial, and I know you're always so excited to have that on this channel. Right now we'll be tying this beautiful scarf, and for the length, I would like to tell you that the length and the width of this scarf, they are the same. So let's just say 50-50. So when you have a scarf that has this length, that they are equal on both sides, it is advisable to just fold the edges together so you get something like a triangle. It makes it longer on the sides and you'll be able to just use it to tie different styles. Yes, right now the first style we'll be going into is this Zara cap. I can remember that I've posted a video like this before, but that was like 2 years back, and I feel like it is outdated now. So let's just tie this Zara cap again. So you'll be folding this depending on how big you want your Zara cap. I would advise that this size is okay. If it is bigger than this, you might have issues trying to tie it at the back. So make sure that your paper is not too big so that it will be flexible in the way you are going to tie it. So right now I'll be folding this paper into the scarf 2 times. Yes, so I'll just fold it neatly. You want to fold it neatly, and you don't want it to just be rumpled on the side, because the Zara cap is giving the illusion of a cap. You don't want it more than that. Right now I will straighten the sides of it, then I'll put it on my head. Yes, you just want to put that side on your head. Yes, you have to place it carefully. Some people like it when it's covering their brows, depending on what you like. I think I don't like it covering my brows, so I lifted it up in a way. So depending on how you like your Zara cap, that is how you should tie it. Then the excess on top, try to tuck it in, because just like I stated, it is like a cap, so you want it to look really good like a cap, and that is the reason why you have that paper in it, so it can look presentable. Now I'll be tying the back. So because we folded our scarf into a triangle, it makes us have all these edges at the sides. You can see we have a long hand, like we have enough hands of this HEADWRAP to be able to just tie anything. Yeah, so right now I will tie it, make sure it is secured, make sure it's fine. Some people will leave it like this because it's actually looking good like this, but instead I'll be tying it twice. Yeah, but before I tie it twice, I want to be sure that everything looks really neat. Now I'll be tying it the second time, and it's just a style depending on what you want. Some people can tie a bow with it. If you want to tie a bow with it, you are good to go. And if you want to learn how to tie a bow, check my videos out. I think I have a video where I was tying a bow. And yes, this is our style one. Very nice, very beautiful. I like it. Like, it's so nice, and you can see how I'm looking like an Hausa babe. Yeah, Arewa babe, exactly. Yeah, so this is how I look with my style one, and I hope you love it. If you have hair under and you want it to come out here, just me bringing it out, and you can see how pretty I look. Yes, that is this with our style one, and I hope you love it. Yeah. Now jumping into our style 2. Our style 2 is an extension of style 1. So instead of tying it at the back and all that, you want to release the back, then also fold in any excess inside. So what is left under, I'll be folding it inside. You want to make sure you fold it inside neatly, very neat. Then you'll be taking the 2 hands and you'll be wrapping it on top of your Zara cap. Yes, you have to make sure it is neat. Some people like to create the illusion of pleats. So if you like pleats, you can just gather it together and it will look like pleats, but make sure they look very neat. And that is the beauty of this. This is giving the real Zara cap, because you can literally remove it from your head and place it back. Yeah, so you want to do this neatly and tuck it in, and you can see the essence of folding your Ankara wrap into 2 when it is 50 by 50. It just gives you enough length to work with whatever you have. And yes guys, this is our style 2. I really do like it because this is actually giving that cap. Yeah, and this is it, very nice. The back also is well tucked in. So like I always state, make sure your gilly is very neat, make sure your HEADWRAP is very neat. You can see how good it looks. So if you literally just take this off my head, it will look like a cap, and if you place it back, it will still be giving cap. Yeah, so this is it for our style 2, and I also hope you love it. Yes. Now going into our style 3, this is very easy. I know all my alpha mamas, they know this style. So what I will be doing is just placing this on my head, then tying it at the back, not like tying it, just twisting it at the back. Then once I am done twisting it at the back, I'm gonna roll it. Yeah, so you are going to be rolling. You have to make sure it is very tight though, so you roll it together till you have this, then you put it on top and you have a beautiful Ankara head wrap. So these styles are pretty easy, like anyone can do it, anyone can get it. You can prefer to tie it in front depending on your preference, depending on what you like, but for this style we'll just be rolling it directly towards to the end. You want to make sure you roll it to the end, then you tuck it in, then you roll it to the other end. This is also looking like a cap, but it's more like a scarf tutorial. It's giving more like a scarf than a cap. Yeah, so this is it for this style, and this is always fine for when you have all these nice long caps and all that, or long scarf I mean. Yeah, so this is our style 3. Very nice, very lovely. I love it. Yes, very nice. So just to create another style out of our style 3, remember I said that you can tie it in front, so I'll just basically be tying it in front and be forming a rose with it. So I'll just be rolling it together, and this is another style. I'm sure we would have seen it on people's head and all that. So these are just very pretty styles, pretty simple styles that anybody can create, especially when your hair, you feel like you just want to style your hair, style your head, make sure you look good and nice with your scarf. Yeah, so you can see how it looks pretty too. It just gives another vibe to it. And yes, this is our style 4 and I love it again. Yeah, now let's go into our style 5. Jumping into our last style, this I'll be taking it from the back. Yeah, so I'll just be tying it in front and I'll be rolling it on top of my head. Yes, this style is also very simple, very nice. So when you just need to run, like you just need to run and get out of the house, this style is something you can do. So you just twist it after you are done twisting it at first, then take the both hands together and twist everything together. Yes, so you can see I'll just take both hands right now and just twist them together and you're good to go. But make sure it looks neat. That is it. If it looks neat, you are fine. Yeah, and that is all about scarf and gele. As much as it looks neat and it's giving what it should give, you are good to go. And this is it for our last style, our style 5, and also very nice. A lot of people tie this scarf and it looks really good. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you love the styles that we created. If you did, don't forget to like, share and drop your comments. I'll be reading them and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.